Agencies will be called to order for its third budget hearing of fiscal year 2026 in our appropriation process. This hearing will consider the President's budget request for the United States Department of Justice. We welcome the witness, United States Attorney General Pam Bondi, who was confirmed earlier this year as the 87th United States Attorney General. The President has requested $33.6 billion for the Department of Justice for FY 2026. This is a reduction of $2.5 billion, or 7%, from FY 25 enacted levels. This cut entails the reduction of approximately 5,100 positions, including attorneys, special agents, deputy U.S. Marshals, and professional staff. I commend the Attorney General for efforts to streamline the department, achieve operational efficiencies, and find savings for the American taxpayer. Even having said that, though, I am concerned by the depth of some of the proposed cuts. This includes, most importantly, cuts to DOJ law enforcement agencies and cuts in the DOJ grant programs that support state and local law enforcement. For example, the request proposes cutting funding from the Drug Enforcement Administration by $111 million, and further proposes $100 million in prior year appropriations. The benefits of our investments in DEA speak for themselves, because just last month the department struck a decisive blow against the Sonora cartel and executed the largest fentanyl bust in DEA history. I don't believe any of us want to forego incredible work being done by the DEA, as well as all of the department's law enforcement components. The budget further proposes a number of reorganizations within the department consistent with its agency's reorganization and reduction plan. I'm open to agency reorganization proposals. Everyone on this dais knows how hard they can be to achieve, but that should not stop us from finding ways to streamline the federal government and save taxpayer dollars. Some of the proposals will require further deliberation. I have heard concerns with the proposal to merge the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, and Firearms into the DEA. These concerns come from state and local law enforcement officials in my home state, who depend upon ATF's NIBIN network to develop critical intelligence on crime guns. I've also heard serious concerns from Second Amendment advocates, and I believe it has been fairly raised about the propriety of associating firearms, a constitutionally protected right, with the truly evil things such as fentanyl, methamphetamine, and Mexican cartels. General Bondi, it is my hope that the department will work collaboratively with us, this subcommittee, to evaluate the reorganization proposals and, where appropriate, make changes. General Bondi, I thank you for your testimony today. I look forward to hearing what you have to say in response to my Senate colleagues' questions. And at the moment, I recognize Senator Van Hollen for his opening statement.